Hello all and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I am Lish the Baker, and on today's episode we are making pistachio pudding cookies. These festive green cookies are especially great for St. Patrick's Day. This simple drop cookie recipe is super easy to make and only requires a few key ingredients. Pistachio pudding mix is one of them. These cookies taste amazing and check off the box for green on St. Patrick's. Without further ado, let's get into the baking. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and ring the little bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new video. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, do you like to do festive baking for the holidays? Until next time, keep it delicious. This drop cookie recipe is super easy to make and only requires a